As I started riding more and more, I realized that I was going through hand grips very often, and the hand grips I wanted at the store weren't available all the time. There is a shipping problem here in America right now, so a lot of stuff just isn't coming in. But what I've done to solve my grip wear problem is I've put on a layer of leather, just using some 3M spray glue, and wrapped the grips in leather. There is a leather strapping on top of that. I believe that that's fox leather, but it comes in rolls and it's easy to buy. What I have done is I've wrapped this one, and this one's got about 30 or 40 hours on it. This one has even less hours on it, probably about 10 hours, and you can see that the strapping's gotten all kind of wrapped in the wrong direction. So I've literally spun the wrapping off of this just from the death grip that I sometimes have on these grips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrap this grip today, and I'm going to make this look all new again. So my problem of purchasing hand grips all the time has been solved. I will show you what this looks like as I work on it. What I usually try and do is I usually try and get into the knot and pull the knot out. What I'll do is I'll just wrap this around like so, and that's how I will apply this, and then I will go a couple times around the end and then just start working my way back like that. What I'm going to do is redo this very tightly with both hands so you can see what that looks like. What I like to do is I like to pull the knot around to the front where it can be hidden. That way when you finish the knot off, you can't see it, it's behind here. Okay, I've just finished the wrap. I just was careful not to twist the wrapping too much. And what I've done is I have done a square knot on the back there. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess. And that's going to be just fine. Snip off any of the excess from the knot. Just pull. And that's done. My grips are like new again. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.